Hi, my cute cuticle cuties. Come with me while I transform these Christmas nails. I always start off by sanitizing my client and my hands, then I push the cuticles back. I'm using my electric file with an extra fine bits while I remove off this gel polish. And that machine underneath our hand is a dust collector. It is collecting most of the dust. Thank you all for stopping by, and I just want to remind you that every Monday and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have a premiere. Now I'm changing bits. I'm getting rid of that extra fine bit and putting on this sanding band. That's because I'll be going on the natural nail itself. So I don't want anything as harsh as the first bit I was using. And you'll see me cleaning up the area around the cuticle and removing the rest of the gel polish that I left. Y'all hear my granddaughter in the background? She's here and she keep asking me, Mamo, do my nails. And I said, okay, baby, let me finish editing this video. So y'all probably gonna hear her throughout this video. So yes, I'm going in with the sanding band right around the cuticle area, cleaning up all that new growth and taking a drill and passing over the entire nail, smoothing over the top surface, cleaning up, getting ready for the refill.
Do my nails, Mama.
What?
Do my nails, Mama.
Y'all heard my grandbaby. I better hurry up editing this video because she said, Mama, come do my nails now. So I am going over this natural nail with this sanding band on a very low speed, removing a natural shine. Now you want to make sure you clean off the dust. You don't want no dust particles getting in our way. I will not be putting an artificial tip. I will be using a nail form.
Mama.
That is this paper product that you see me putting on the nail. And I will be making a nail with this nail form. Now I am applying protein bind only on the natural nail, not on the acrylic part. And on this nail repair, I will be applying protein bind on the entire nail. Now I'm going to go in and repair this nail. You can do this in several different ways, but the way I'll be doing it, I'll just start midway of the nail and place my first bead. Since this is a short, medium length,
Mama, do my nails.
I am doing it this way. And when you are using nail forms, at the time of applying the acrylic, you will actually create your shape. So she's wearing a coffin shape in the medium short length. So I kept this entire clip in the video because I wanted to demonstrate how to do a nail form. And this is one way. There are several different ways. I had to stop editing to do my granddaughter nails. Here's a clip that I added in. She named all the colors that she wanted on her nails. So I decided to use pink as the main color and added in some marble on the ring finger. Baby, I guess I wore her out doing her nails because when I tell you she is right here asleep, hence this is why I'm whispering. Now I'm just going to go in and start the refill. This bead was a little too big, but hey, I made it do what it do. Remember to clean up your side walls while you are doing your nails so nothing stays on the skin because you will have lifting if you do not clean up around your cuticle area. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and if you feel it in your heart to share me out, please share my video, and I thank you in advance. Membership badges are now available for only $2.99 a month. You can become a Chief Cuticle Cutie. I'll have a link in the description. By purchasing a membership badge, it would help support my channel. And as an incentive, I will have a monthly drawing for all badge holders. The prizes will vary from month to month. Shout out to everybody that's already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become an official cuticle cutie. Now that we are finished with the refill, we're going to go ahead and crisp our shape. Now I'm going in with my electric file with a sanding band to seal in my cuticle area. And now I'm going to pass the buffer over the nail. I'm using this brush to make sure the nails are dust free. Now for this look, I will be using the Born Pretty Jelly Gel Milky White Polish. This color is very soft white. I will be doing a V outline on the pinky nail. And if you like this shade of Jelly Gel Milky White by Born Pretty, head on over to the website. Use my code RxNails and receive a 10% off your entire purchase. Yes, put code RxNails at checkout time and you will receive 10% off your purchase. They have a variety of products. So head on over and shop at Born Pretty's website and use my code and save you some coins on whatever you purchase. And as a personal preference, it just depends on what type of nail art I'm doing. I usually work from pinky finger to pinky finger and let them cure in between times, depending on the nail art. I'm going to go ahead and finish outlining these nails because, baby, we adding a little bit of bling. Now I'm adding the second coat. And look how this color just pop, pop, pop. Yes, this milky white is popping, baby. You like this color? Head over to Born's Pretty website. Go ahead and shop. Fill your cart up. And when you get ready to check out, you add RX Nails in the code section and you're going to receive 10% off. Yes, you will. Now on 3 fingers, I will be only placing one bling at the top cuticle area. Now here on the ring finger and the index finger, I will be placing some rhinestone glue and I'm just going to outline it in the silver bling that I'm using. To finish off this look, I will be applying top coat. And remember, when you are applying top coat, do not polish on top of your bling. Polish around your bling to seal it in. To prevent nail polish from chipping, cap off your free edge. This is the finished look, baby. Yes, she is ready. Look how beautiful these nails are. We polished them with the Born Pretty Jelly Gel Milky White. Head on over to Born Pretty's website and shop and add RX Nails in the code and receive 10% off your purchase. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.